Loving it. Okay, boys. These are so dry around here. It's almost getting was really not that fun. I'm gonna do, you know, trail ripping with my, and I'm ripping. I gotta take it easy to a point where, because I'm still got some rubbing. So I had a problem with rubbing. I've done some trimming here and there. It took me a bit to figure out where the heck it actually was. But there was a piece here and it was rubbing, so I trimmed it. Well, still friggin' rubbing here. Now, I'm hitting it pretty hard. Big rubs, they're big bumps. So I'm gonna ratchet these up, friggin' we'll ratchet them up as tight as I can and see what happens. I only went up one notch. And then I also noticed on the rears, the rubbing right there. But you know what? Friggin' not too much I can do with that. Other than I'll crank her up a bit. I got some movement. But it's dried up so much, I'm like, holy frig, it's so bumpy. Like, it's so bumpy and rough. Like, areas that would have been softer before, just they're rock hard, right? Like, I mean, where are we now? Well, we're getting near the end of July. But, alright, we're gonna friggin' rip it. Watch it. No problem. Anyways, end of July, it is dry. Of course, obviously, it's our dry season, but, we actually really haven't had much rain in a while, so. And forecast is not really for too much. We've had a few sprinklers here and there, but there's so much spring, like crazy. And but you know what? I wasn't riding. So I kind of missed a lot of that, and I really miss the fact that I've got a machine that's way more capable. Well, late fall, hopefully she loosens up again. We're going to take some more adventures. We're going to head north. We're going to head up north to 7, where I do a lot of riding, a lot of hunting, and we're going to take advantage of the dry weather, and we'll get the snorkel, your ATV, or your kit on, and we'll hit some freaking water. Yeah, I know some places to go, for sure. Anyways, we're just gonna rip it up here. We get to the other side of the line, and hopefully get to a place I have. Hopefully, remember to find the way. This little secret garden of Eden. Well, it's not really a garden. It's a little spot that should still have some water in it. We'll see. To traverse. This is a spot where people freaking bring their 4x4 trucks and whatever into. See how much fun this would have been? Oh yeah, this would have been loads of fun. Now it's just a freaking gong show. Gong show, baby. Funk show, brother. Check it out now. Funk show, brother. Yeah. Ooh, that can be it right there. Go right there. Right here. Ah, people have been through here. You can see it. It's this. swampy parts dried up pretty good. Wow. As soon as I ripped there in four-wheel drive there, the front tires pulled a shitload of friggin' water. I don't know if I dug down further. I was trying to see if I could get the front end up in the air, but she doesn't want to get in the front end. It wants to go there. It wants to dig down. Gotta watch my air intake's up in here. It's pretty good, but nothing too cool. We're not doing anything crazy here. Oh shit! Four-wheel drive. She does not want to. There's a lot of water wheelies. Water wheelie. We'll have to figure that out. Alright. Time to leave this place. Oh, well, that was fun. That was fun. Ripped around in the freaking creek. Actually, I should go through and wash off over time. Holy jeez. This place. Oh my god. Something when this is all wet. Oh my god. Yeah, we'll have to try playing around with some water wheelies stuff. Once we get the snorkels on, probably low will make a big difference, I gather. Yep. I'm not sure where I'm going. Going one way to skin a cat, they say. This is not the way to get out of here anymore. Huh. The gate that she's closed.